Hello, everyone. Allison Shaw speaking. As a fitness instructor and wellness coach, I'm thrilled to introduce you to Meditation Success Stories, a collection of authentic narratives sourced from online platforms and refined for both grammatical precision and auditory clarity. These stories aim to captivate and inspire. Here is one of these stimulating gems, so without further ado, let's dive in. Here's the secret about unlocking wealth through meditation and how clearing your mind can lead to financial success. It's a common misconception that meditation will magically bring a Brinks truck to your driveway. While it may not manifest material riches overnight, what meditation does promise is the invaluable gift of clarity, a clear mind unburdened by stress and clutter. And it's this mental clarity that can pave the way for financial success in ways you might not have imagined. Firstly, there is power and magic in the clarity of the mind. Imagine your mind as a cluttered room filled with distractions, worries, and anxieties. In such a state, it's challenging to focus, let alone make sound financial decisions. Meditation acts as a mental decluttering process, gently clearing away the noise and allowing your thoughts to settle. With a clear mind, you become more attuned to your surroundings and better able to identify opportunities that may have previously eluded you. Whether it's spotting a lucrative investment opportunity or recognizing a niche market waiting to be tapped into, clarity of mind lays the foundation for making wise choices that can lead to financial gain. And when it comes to stress reduction and wise decision-making, meditation is key. Stress is a silent killer of sound decision-making. When you're stressed, your judgment becomes clouded, and impulsive decisions often follow. Meditation serves as a powerful antidote to stress, calming the nervous system and fostering a sense of inner peace. By reducing stress levels, meditation enables you to approach financial decisions with a clear and rational mindset. Rather than succumbing to fear or anxiety, you can weigh the pros and cons thoughtfully, considering the long-term implications of your choices. You need to dedicate the time required to familiarize yourself with how meditation improves focus and productivity. One of the lesser-known benefits of meditation is its ability to enhance focus and productivity. By practicing mindfulness, you train your mind to stay present and attentive, a skill that proves invaluable in the pursuit of wealth. With improved focus, you become more efficient in your work, able to accomplish tasks with greater speed and precision. Whether you're running a business, managing investments, or pursuing entrepreneurial ventures, heightened focus can significantly increase your chances of success. You'll also unlock creativity and innovation. In the quest for financial success, creativity and innovation often serve as the driving forces behind breakthrough ideas. Meditation has been shown to enhance creative thinking by quieting the mind and fostering a state of receptivity. As your mind relaxes during meditation, it becomes more open to inspiration and new perspectives. You may find yourself generating innovative solutions to financial challenges or uncovering unconventional opportunities that others have overlooked. And there are a plethora of real-life success stories you can see for yourself by subscribing to this channel. By subscribing, you'll get real stories from real people, including dozens of well-known personalities, with a link to their online posts about their success. Countless individuals have experienced financial success through the practice of meditation. From entrepreneurs and business leaders to investors and creatives, meditation has played a pivotal role in their journey to wealth. Take, for example, the story of John, a serial entrepreneur who credits meditation with helping him navigate the ups and downs of the business world. By maintaining a regular meditation practice, John developed the clarity and resilience needed to overcome obstacles and seize opportunities, ultimately building a multi-million-dollar empire. Similarly, Sarah, a stock trader, attributes her success to the mental discipline and focus she cultivated through meditation. By honing her ability to stay present and calm under pressure, Sarah was able to make shrewd investment decisions that yielded significant returns. In conclusion, while meditation may not directly deposit money in your bank account, its impact on your financial success cannot be overstated. By clearing your mind, reducing stress, and enhancing focus, meditation creates the optimal conditions for identifying and capitalizing on money-making opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor, an aspiring entrepreneur, or simply someone seeking greater financial stability, incorporating meditation into your daily routine can prove to be a wise investment in your future wealth and prosperity. So, take a moment to quiet your mind, and who knows, the next big financial breakthrough may be just a meditation session away. Hello again, it's Allison. I hope you found our meditation success story engaging. If you'd like to be notified of future stories, click the subscribe button below. My own journey mirrors many of the transformative experiences shared. Just like me, you possess the power to revolutionize your life through meditation. Personal miracles await those committed to a daily meditation practice. That's guaranteed. If you're seeking significant change in your life, I urge you to explore meditation with the guidance of a coach. In the description below, you'll discover a link to one of the world's top meditation teachers, Giovanni Dienstmann, who ranks among the top 5 globally. He generously offers free introductory lessons accessible through the provided link. If you found this message resonant, show your support by liking, commenting, or sharing your thoughts below. Wishing you the best on your journey, and thanks for your time.